located along a line extending. Sighting, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Reading, Wyomissing, Burnsboro, Kutztown, Hamburg, Leeswood, Sydney Springs, Laurelville, Wilmington, Wiersville, Robertsonia, Leesport, Shoemakersville, Burnville, Lyons, Strausstown, Lenhartsville, New Morgan, Spring Ridge, and Fairview Heights. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 300. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 10 and 43. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties: Berks, Pennsylvania. Here is the regional weather forecast. For the Philadelphia metropolitan area, severe thunderstorm watch 160 in effect until 9 p.m. this evening. Tonight, showers and scattered thunderstorms this evening, then showers after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds and heavy rainfall. Lows in